where you mum no man no man? Ati. Mercy, where you mum no man no man? Eh? This is the second time. Musumadi afere magiska wa. Oba na man 5 Ghana cedi. Oba na for 5 Ghana cedi. Na that she say this is the second time and I'm warning you. I'm not expecting that 5 Ghana cedi in my house again. Hey, let me talk. You say you like fighting, and I'm giving you fighting. You fear to spend on that fighting. Gentlemen, I don't have cocoa. I don't farm. I don't have poultry farm. And I'm not doing any trade. She is my everything. Oh. She is my monthly salary. So if you can't give her money, my brother, you should pack. Hey, this is true matter. If you can't give her money, my brother, pack. I'm not expecting that 5 Ghana cedi again. Hey, let me talk. Can't you go and collect your money from them, or you work to dash them? Let the fool. Make on my catch on, and your last warning. That black and white. What? Baba Fuadi. I don't have time for that nonsense.
Listen me party. The boss will now go. Me may Ghana 5 cedi, dear mom. Can you see 50,000? Look at him saying, Adra will be in 350,000 a day. Now, why you country and I say, Obama meaning good. And if you, Miss Mokudi, and some fight here and Miss Sakana. Miss Sakani, we are passion. May you imagine if
So, why are you not eating?
Ted, I will never understand women.
What about women?
Do you know Abba never calls, answer my calls anymore?
And why that? Are you guys kind of fighting or something?
That I only asked her to marry me.
And what did she say?
She said she won't. And even if she will, she can't marry me at all. Look at that.
You mean after all you did for her?
Yeah. After all that I did for her. Buying house, car, the trips, everything, Dad.
Never mind, boy. Never mind. Don't worry. I mean, you will definitely find a lady who will love you.
That how?
Listen, women are all like that. They are all like that. They are into chop, and then go away. Even me, your father.
Dad!
Never mind.
You!
Never mind. But you see, you will definitely find a lady who will understand you, who will love you, who will respect you. You understand? Don't worry.
And Dad, if they did that to you, what about me?
You see that? I told you, they are all like that. They are all like that. So don't worry. Don't worry.
Is there something in the family?
No, come on. Don't talk like this. It's nothing. Don't even go there. You eat your food. Thanks for the drink anyway. You enjoy yourself. I'll see you later in the day, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Where the simplest. Beautiful. Let's go. Adia, why you moving? Adia. That's a drink for gay. The criminal Natalia was Sebastian on so on your surgery. Who Michelle Camp on annual Bianima Suja Franca. Abamba babo abaso o she soja atade na ade nnam kroma.
If you also to be
Yenko. Oh, beautiful. Here by you agro come on ade.
if you baby.
Me enye open susu ampa say afran yo ogu. Oh, o say nka sleep no. Na say what to form wa. Ana ni sika bi ato form wa. Etu obetumi akoto afa na so obefre ka ye say befa na disika.
Obetumi afa ode ko yen ode ko me pe we bi.
Hey, any so akoto fa de any free show. Ama for be part 1, part 2, part 3, akopim part 10. Hey, good I have. Beautiful. Yeah.
De bia wa to gon ama me za me che.
O de meto bia ma.
We bi so ko ye adwuma.
Martin
Ni bra be jino on ba ko discan ba no maji.
Ma o de me angasa me bia table, right? If you meto bia, so see the same thing.
Go bi sam baby of course.
Hey! Oh, unim krom sem. Me meto abrel.
Me pani de na.
Enye se obeka se wo suasua no. Oba de okobusa oyonko ba ho ade pe o se mantanka. Enti ni twen mia meba kobisa ne na meto se mahu. Enye sebo short. Ana white. Ana bag. Ana long distance.
Sebo when you be o to na a different color na. O beto sa 5. Skirt 5.
Me bisa ne bi wo ha meto.
Atom pa boa 5.
Yo, meto pa boa 5.
Be rubber pa boa kwa na atom.
Mati meto pa boa 5.
Where you mum no man no man? Ati. Mercy. Where you mum no man no man? Eh? This is second time. Musumadi afere magiska wa. Oba na man 5 Ghana cedi. Oba na for 5 Ghana cedi. Na that she say this is second time and I'm warning you. I'm not expecting that 5 Ghana cedi in my house again. Hey, let me talk. You say you like fighting and I'm giving you fighting. You fear to spend on that fighting. Gentlemen, I don't have cocoa. I don't farm. I don't have poultry farm. And I'm not doing any trade. She is my everything. Oh, she is my monthly salary. So if you can't give her money, my brother, you should pack. Hey, this is true matter. If you can't give her money, my brother, pack. I'm not expecting that 5 Ghana cedi again. Hey, let me talk. Can't you go and collect your money from them, or you work to dash them? Let the fool. Make on my catch on, and your last warning. That black and white. What? Baba for I don't have time for that nonsense.
Obey your call. Yes, me pardon. The boss on your go. Me may Ghana 5 cedi, the amount. Can you see 50,000? Look at you saying it. Abra will be in 50,000 a day. Na oyo kokonti ana se oba na mi yin enyefi mesu mi hu akodi ensa mi fight ya na me sakana wi passion na yi na benefit because we ya
Good morning, my beautiful angel.
Good morning. Can I help you, sir?
My God. Do you receive compliments from people that you are beautiful?
That one I know because my mother tells me all the time.
You are too much, baby.
So is that why you stopped?
Mami, minimum that person they do honey pa. So I shall burn him when they want not serious. Baby, don't turn me down. Here, the person me worry. Oh, I can do anything for you. I will take you to the city, expose you to the beautiful things in the city, baby.
Me, mommy, ask mommy, and anything I would deny the ampachoja, my boyfriend.
See me, my boo. That could be the honey. I won't me. And I'm so minimum. You quite sure. Please.
I know Namsana who baby, I know we are crossing Yana.
Listen,
I'm beautiful. You don't know my name. My name is Amma Beautiful.
And I'm because you know what I'm saying. Listen.
Fine to the gentleman. What can I do for you?
Please, I'm looking for the pretty lady in this house.
Yeah. Ghana. Is she a fair lady?
Yeah.
The one with that smooth skin.
Yeah. What do you need here for? Well, it's simple. I admire her and I want to marry her.
Simple. I admire her. I want to marry her. Beautiful. Gentlemen, you see, on your one there, Bonsam, Obotumashe, Ugwama, no other than the woman, the Sunumun, no room lawyer Bonsam. Obotumashe coat is no look out for 19. I don't like a situation. Obibayam 419, or my baby Siano. Are you ready for me?
Yeah.
Obiwa no twadwumano. Ansan we didi. Obi so openta nkora ho. Ansan no sa akwa no. Enyenye biala. Ibe dwuma na ye na didi.
I'm a banker. I mean, I work at the bank.
You do a bank?
Yeah.
Who mentioned the Sikanugu?
Sir.
Who is Sikajume?
Sir.
Sikanabian home. Who no be his scare? Momo, one son or daba, and son of women be beautiful. Beautiful. Mamma clever. Of late, some banks normally don't work with the foreign currencies. Do you work with foreign currencies?
You know, we deal with all sorts of currencies. I mean, all kinds of currencies. We deal with the pound sterling, the euros, the Japanese yen, the American dollars.
Hold it there, oh, hold it there. Ah, Lord, I don't know you are around the corner. So all the prayers I've been praying, you hear, eh? Oh, beautiful God, oh. I love you, oh Lord. Gentlemen, I'm coming. All right. 1 minute. I am feeling the dollar you mentioned, I don't get it well. Are you talking about this dollar?
Exactly.
Beautiful. You see, make it party for the past 18 years. Because the probia about to one the same thing.
No problem.
Oh, bank manager. Let's sit down, Marcian. Let's sit down here.
Okay.
Let's sit down here. Sit down, my son. This is my own chair. Sit down. Thank you, sir. Sit down, my son. My son. Sit down.
Oh, yes.
Oh. Should I give you water?
Oh, okay.
You are cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. My son. That lady, she's my daughter. And I'm telling you, you can consider her yours.
Thank you, sir.
You can consider her yours. But let me ask you this thing. Ofi baby a we table we see mo bank ho. Otuko baby a Sika dan one interval sahin no dem. Mberem.
What is it? Sika no wo baby wo na any sika na wo dan krum.
Who is Sika no wo shed na krum? Inti baby a pebia to me nso bom. Dear my peer, tell me, my son. Tell me, I prepare to do some boom, boom. Now, Sabi, Obialan Carring, you know. Beautiful. As I'm speaking, my daughter is not in at the moment. Okay, but I've told you already. Consider her yours.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Nyami Aduma, Wachina, the same time. Bye. The same time. Quarter to 2. Nzochina. Come. Baba na matompa. Modado ne mkitaba wa ha. Metwon. Eba na aba fa na e mepebiala.
Dawide.
Basa na kona.
Yeah.
Nako.
Sir.
No ka yin.
My time ya sunti. Meso.
Iya menko. Eba aba na mama ba. As I said, consider her yours.
Thank you, sir.
Echina. Baba ma tompa moda ha ne mkitaba mo so mete ha ontum ko bebiala na aba fa na e mepebiala ase.
Don't tell her I was here.
Oh, don't worry, you come.
All right.
Okay,
All right.
you are the right man I'm waiting for.
Thank you, sir.
And thank to God, He has given you to us. You don't have problem.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
I will tell her mother too. So tomorrow when you come, you will even come and meet me and her mother right here.
All right.
Okay? So you can go.
Okay, see you then.
Still crying.
Bye.
Come. I didn't even ask your name.
Oh, yeah. I'm Fred.
Fred. Mami ya clever.
1 minute, please. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Fred on the line.
Can I have a mistake?
All right.
So
you
many.
get the dollars or the pound sterling? All right. You just keep it. I'll be right there.
Yes, man.
Like say in about 30 minutes time, I'll be right there. Okay.
So many young catch a love. I mean, so he's getting me away. Maybe as a call. It's what for them.
Let me say, you're from Fred.
Fred. Hey, Mammy, Claire. Fred, then, or you fitting another, or you Manda, what's best now, Aban? What for friend TV do not count a graphic in Libya?
Where the Jeffrey Fee?
Fifi, so Papa, no, mammy, in a way, no, so Fred, sir, no problem at all. You can go,
say,
you can go. So you are going with the dollars, eh?
I will see you later.
Beautiful. Oh God. Since Genesis, I've been reading about you. And what I saw is that you answer prayers when the person needed it. And it's exactly what you've done for me. Oh God. So all this while you are around the corner, listen to my prayers. Mercy that to be a good overcry. Shirati. Don't so. Made away. Oh my head. I'm going to marry you.
Knocking. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon.
You. What do you want here?
Oh, please, Amma. My beautiful tree. Why? You know, I'm in love with you. That's why I'm here, please.
Look, haven't I told you I'm engaged? Haven't I?
You know, the very first day I set my eyes on you, I lost focus. Please.
Now, get out of my compound.
Please. Let me out, please.
Get out of my compound. Please,
calm down, calm down.
Mama!
You know,
out.
Mama,
I don't want my father to see you. Get
please,
out.
please. You know, I lost focus the very first day I saw you.
Papa!
Mama, who is disturbing you there?
Papa, come and see one stupid man there.
Mama.
Oh! My in-law!
Oh, come. My in-law, come. Papa, come.
Mama!
Who is your in-law?
Shut up! She's not stopping. She can be never stopping. Mama, your name is beautiful. And my name is beautiful. We have to beautify our home. And this gentleman, he is a banker.
I am engaged.
When will you engage you? When will you engage your wife? Mama, how can a banker be disturbing you? Banker! There's no way a banker. Money, so money is disturbing you. Tell me, Amma. Don't do that, oh, Amma. Sakapinte ino kukunka kampo. And this sabu, me tumu kwa nidem, ikada nidem, masona, pikas na no kakawe na gugu. Mondes type wa. How can a banker, my daughter? My lord, no, sorry.
Papa.
Sika ni bri edo wafao wadi sika jisa shadi wakofa ba Sika ni bri edo wafa minka mountain Sika ni bri edo wafao wadi sika jisa shadi wakofa ba Sika ni bri edo wafa minka mountain no hurry in life. Sika ni bri edo wafa and bro abraboymo no hurry in life. Sika ni bri edo wafa menka mountain. Onya misra na yo di for braduma ya fa binka ho timini ato buase. Abrabo enya kansie na ya radio bedikan inti ya abotra nkoa Bible say boni nyina yini eni sika hwede wa kofa ba we dia da kwa wadie no uja to adresia sika ni brenti hwede wa kofa ba Onya misra na yo di for braduma ya fa binka wo timinu eto buase